In the thrilling world of Forex trading, it's not just about numbers and charts. It's a mental game, a test of emotional resilience. Welcome to the realm of Forex Trading Psychology. Overcoming emotional challenges is the key. Fear, greed, and impatience. These are the psychological pitfalls that can lead to hasty decisions and missed opportunities. Mastering your emotions, however, can unlock a world of potential. Imagine trading with a calm, composed mindset, unfazed by market volatility. It's about maintaining consistency, not letting emotions cloud your judgment, and sticking to your strategy. Practice makes perfect. With time and experience, you can cultivate emotional intelligence, turning psychological challenges into your greatest asset. Remember, in Forex trading, your mind is your most powerful tool. So step into the trading ring with confidence, armed with not just technical knowledge, but a robust psychological shield. Because in Forex trading, it's not just about winning the battle, it's about winning the war within. Welcome to the game of emotions. Welcome to Forex Trading Psychology.